Welcome to my channel. I'm here to introduce another exciting educational course. This course is designed for beginners who want to learn programming with Java and C++. By teaching fundamental concepts, it prepares you to write complete programs and understand programming logic. The goal of the course is to develop basic skills for creating projects and entering the software development job market. With over 68,000 students and a rating of 4.2, this course has proven to be both successful and practical. Currently, the course is priced at around €20. By purchasing this course, you will gain full access to all its content and future updates. The duration of the course is 1.5 hours, and upon completion, you will receive a certificate. In this course, you will learn to write a complete Java program that takes user input, processes and outputs the results. You will learn Java concepts such as console output, Java variables and data types, Java operators and more. You will learn C++ concepts such as console output, C++ variables and data types, C++ operators and more. You will learn how to write a complete C++ program that takes user input, processes and outputs the results. You will learn common programming constructs as they are implemented in C++. Now I want to offer you this amazing course completely free and completely legal. To see how it's done, first subscribe to our channel and add this video to your watch list. Next, open your browser and in Google's search engine, type the address discountedcourseninja.com. In the search results shown to you, click on the appropriate link. Make sure the website address matches what is shown here and you will be directed to discountedcourseninja.com. After clicking on the link, you will arrive at the website's main page. On this site, you can access various course discount coupons. Use the search section to find your desired course. You can also browse categories to search for your preferred topics. Here you will find our target course. To get the discount coupon, scroll down and click on the Get the Coupon button. The course is now available to you for free. Note that the coupon is time limited. Now you've accessed the course legally and for free with just a few clicks. If this video was useful to you, like and subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.